A notice arrives from the IRS, and it's left unopened on your kitchen counter, buried under a pile of bills, or worse, ignored entirely. Fear of what it might contain keeps you from tearing it open. But here's the harsh reality. Those letters from the IRS aren't going to stop. Your tax problem isn't going to magically disappear. As time ticks by, the IRS adds insult to injury by piling on penalties to what you already owe. It's akin to a taxi cab meter, relentlessly ticking away, adding more and more charges to your tax debt, even when life seems to stand still. Often, these penalties and interest end up costing more than the original tax debt itself. The IRS can freeze your bank accounts, seize your funds, and garnish your wages. They can legally take up to 75% of your net paycheck. Can you survive on just a quarter of your income? The IRS seems to think so. In addition to levies and wage garnishments, the IRS can slap a lien on your house, making it near impossible to borrow against it to pay them off. If you sell your house, guess who gets their money first from any equity? The IRS. A federal tax lien can make it harder to rent an apartment, get a car, obtain any kind of credit, and can even jeopardize your job. And if all of this wasn't enough, the IRS has the authority to show up and knock on your door. The IRS is a collection agency like no other. Relentless, unforgiving, and brutal. But there's a silver lining here. You can put these IRS problems behind you. You don't have to live in fear of the next letter or the next penalty. It's time to take control. It's time to find solutions to your IRS problems. Don't delay. Seek professional help, understand your rights, and explore your options. It's time to end your IRS problems, once and for all. Your peace of mind is worth it. For a free winning strategy call, go to irsreso.com.